Good afternoon, sir. May I help you?
Good afternoon. May I know what computer you are selling?
This is a Lenovo computer that launched last week.
May I know about this computer because I did not know about the computer.
The Lenovo computer is one of the computers that is easy to carry and suitable for both students and employees, as well as its affordable price. Have I explained myself well?
You explained very well. I can understand it. Actually, if I buy this computer, what is my warranty on this computer?
You get everything you buy and you get a warranty on your computer if it has a problem. Is that what you were asking about?
Yes, unfortunately, I don't have that information at the moment. My colleague know more about this.
Please let me know if you have any question.
I don't have any question to ask you, so I can buy it now.
Yes, you can.
Good afternoon. Actually, I have a question to ask you. So, apart from the Lenovo computer you sell, does your store sell computer that are suitable for me at the affordable price?
There is a next to this Lenovo computer. This computer is an Asus computer. This computer was just released this year.
Alright, so what is the price of this computer and what is the warranty on this computer if I buy it? Because my sister often use my computer to present herself in online class. So I had to buy a computer for her in order to be able to present herself for online class.
This computer costs RM1000 and is an affordable computer for students and employees in need. So this computer is suitable for your sister. This computer warranty is for 1 year, and if this computer is damaged before the warranty expire, you can bring this computer back to us and we will replace it. If you refuse to replace this computer, we can return the money to you.
Oh, I see. How do I want to buy this computer?
You can pay for it either by using money, debit card or credit card to buy this computer. We will also include a receipt as proof of purchase. Does that answer all your questions?
Yes, you have answered my question, but I have not received my salary to buy a computer. Can I order an Asus computer first because I want to buy this computer for my sister?
Of course, I can keep it, but you need to pay the deposit payment for the computer you want.
For sure, I will pay the deposit.
So, if there's nothing else, if you give me your phone number, if you have not anything question, you ask me.
Okay, alright.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. May I help you?
Where is your manager? I want to meet him now.
Yes, I am the manager of this restaurant. What can I help you guys?
Excuse me, I want to complain about your food.
May I know why you are complaining about my food? As far as I know, our food is very good and many people come to my restaurant.
As I have seen, your food is not tasty because it contains excess salt and oil as well as very expensive and ridiculous prices. So, I really have no appetite for the food you sell.
How about you, sir?
Yes, I have to say that your service was pretty slow, so I don't feel like at your restaurant.
What is the next problem you want to complaining about?
I see there was leftover food on the table and a cockroach not cleaned by your employees. Your employees just leave the leftovers even though customers are already sitting there.
That's absolutely ridiculous. I wonder why you are still charging a very expensive and ridiculous charge, as well as a small quantity of food that is not worth the price.
Well, in fact, I don't agree with both of you because our customer do not give any negative statement about our serve and our food.
Well, if we see what happened again in your store, we will not hesitate to take legal action against you.
I am sorry, sir, but the food is just okay, and there is nothing we can do it.